Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to right click on the start icon and open settings. Now click on these three lines, go to search. Now type your proxy and click on change proxy settings. We need to turn off this option, automatically detect settings. Now close the window, go to search bar, type your cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Select as. Now we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type in netsh winsock reset catalog. Then type in netsh int ip reset log.txt and hit enter. Then type in ip config space / release. Then type in ip config space / renew. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Then type in ip config space / flush DNS and hit enter. Once done, type exit, close the command prompt window, then go to device manager, expand the network adapters, and for the particular network connection, open its properties, go to drivers tab, click on update driver and select the first option. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then close all windows one by one and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure and 100%. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.